This is Chef Brad from Blaze Pizza, and I'm cooking at home. The first thing you're going to want to do is set your oven up for baking the keto or cauliflower crusts. And what you'll do is, I don't know if you can see in here, okay, but I've got two shelves in the oven. The one on the lowest possible setting, and we're going to put some aluminum foil on that one. Just in case anything drips from the shelf above. And then you're going to put the shelf or the rack here on the next to lowest shelf. So you want air to be able to circulate underneath the bottom of the pizza to get it crispy. So you're going to cook it directly on the rack. You got it? You're going to want to preheat your oven for at least 30 minutes on the highest setting. You'll see my oven here is at approximately 525 degrees. Do not set it on broil. Don't set it on convection. Do not use convection. Do not use that fan. You will have a burnt mess. Do not use the convection. I hope I made myself clear. You're going to bake it without the convection right on the rack for about 5 to 7 minutes until it's nice and crisp and browned. And next we're going to be garnishing, decorating, topping, whatever you want to call it, your keto or cauliflower crust. I've got the keto here, and we're just going to put the sauce right on top of it. This one takes, these two pizzas take a little bit more sauce than when you're stretching the dough by hand for the classic crust. And you just spread the sauce around with a spoon, and then you apply the cheese. And I've just got a simple pie here, but you could put the rest of the toppings on top of your pizza with whatever you like and whatever you've ordered on the DIY kits. And the pizza goes right into the oven, right on that shelf, on the next to the lowest rack space that you've got in the oven. That bottom rack is going to have some aluminum foil just in case anything drips. And you're just going to set this directly onto the rack. Set your timer for about 5 minutes. I find in this particular oven they take 5 minutes. It may take a little bit longer in your home oven. Monitor it so that they don't burn, and remove it when it's ready. And in about 5 minutes, it's ready to go. And then you just cut it and it's ready to go.